The number one annoying thing about driving the Tesla Model Y is the amount of sun that comes through the panoramic roof. But I may have a solution for you guys, a sunshade. So this is the brand new OTRIFOWD Sunshade for the Model Y, and let's unbox it and see what they give us. And that's it. You get this cool pouch to store your sunshade, and you also get a manual, which you absolutely don't need because this video is your manual. You also get this box for now, which I believe will have magnets because this roof shade is attached using magnets. So let's open this up. So there comes with two pieces, and you think, how does a mag shade fit in this bag? Well, it's actually twisted and folded. So when you open this, look like two little butterflies actually. Look at that. But essentially what you want to do is untwist it and might whack me in the face, and I just avoided it. But look at that. This is only half the sunshade. This is the other half. I'll avoid opening this for now so it doesn't whack me in the face. And I was just doing that to show you guys. You don't have to open it up right now. But what you do want to do with the first step is install your magnets on these sides over here. All around. So that's what will be used to attach it. So they do give you a very nifty prying tool, which you'll be using to insert your magnets. And we also have the magnets themselves. Now with the Model Y, they give you a total of 6 magnets, but it also is usable for the Model 3. But with the Model 3 Sunshade, you would need 8 magnets. So let's do the 3 first. Take it out like this. Boom. So let's start off with the rear side first. You want to attach each magnet over here, in the rear as well, and then over here as well.
And here's a quick bird's eye view for where to place the magnets. There's 3 in the rear and 3 in the front for the Model Y.
And to do that, all you have to do is take this prying tool, and I'll tell you that obviously you want this side at the bottom, the magnetic or side at the bottom, and the OTRIFOWD symbol on the top. Put it like this. And obviously you won't go like, if you just push it, it won't work. Maybe it will work, but this prying tool allows you to open it up. Oh, other way. Leverage, it's all about leverage because that's what gets things done in life. This should be tucked in. Once it's inserted in, I'll show you what it should look like. And that's it. So there should be no gaps over here to make sure it's tucked in. And you can push it around, move it, then it's not moving. The only way you can actually get it out is if you unclip it, right? And so there we go, this one's in, and look how fast that was. Seamless, easy. And the same thing you wanna do in the rear as well. Magnet side down. Use your prying tool, lift it up, boom. Very simple, very easy. Once you do one, rest is super easy. Take this guy again, lift it up and push it in, and that's it. Look how seamless that is. Your piece that is labeled rear, so this right here, it should say rear this side up, this label right here, if you can see that. Basically what that's saying is this reflective part which will reduce the amount of heat coming in and get the sun out of your face. And so now you'll see when we are attaching the rear piece, look how close it matches to the liner on the Model Y. Make sure magnet here, and then magnet here. And just like that, that's the first half done, and you'll see how seamless it was. And all you have to do to remove it is just pull on it. It's all magnetic based, and I'll do a test afterward to see how good of a job it does when I'm driving or have the windows open to see how secure it actually is. And then in the front, you want to add this magnet over here. Same tool, lift, push it all the way down. That way it's easy and enough space is there for your magnet to kind of poke in. And then same on this side, tuck it in, sorry. Lift it. There you go. Dead in the center. And then the other two pieces, you want it on top of this, where this seatbelt area is, and just directly above that, magnetic strip at the bottom. And that's it, that one was easier. Same on that side. Let's see how I get there. There you go. Simple as that.
Now, once you're done, this is how all your magnets should look roughly. Now, don't worry if it's not exactly where I placed them. Just make it even enough distribution where there's space for the 2 different sunshade pieces to stick on. And trust me, if I can do this installation, so can you.
And now the front piece. Clip, clip, and clip. And then to get rid of this gap, all you have to do is tuck it in. There we go. And that's the full installation of the sunroof, but I want to do one more test. I want to see how practical it is when we have our windows down, and let's see if these actually hold in place when I'm driving around, which they'll actually be used for. It'll definitely do an amazing job of blocking out the sun and have that heat reduction that you definitely need, especially during those hot blazing summers. I'm gonna lower my windows. We're trying to do a really great scientific test here to see if it actually holds up and stays in place when you're driving around with your windows open and high speeds. And I love the new visualization they've added. I've have it in my updates video, so make sure you watch that after this video. Holding in place. It's holding in place. Nice. Okay, looks like it's holding in place. It's moving around a little bit, but it's still, the magnetics are strong enough. It has passed the test. The sunroof is really good, and you'll see there's no sun coming on the back of my head, so that's really great. I'm driving the speed limit, and then if you're in a highway, chances are you wouldn't have your window open anyway, so I'm just testing it out in regular days or regular moments when you have your windows down. And so far, you'll see the sunroof is holding up really well in me following the speed limit, me just driving around normally. It's holding up really well. So if you're interested in getting a sunshade for yourself for your Model Y or 3, I'll have the product linked in the description.
A big congratulations to Loris Martucci for winning the Amazon gift card.